Chief Minister N. Biren said the arrest of top leaders of Pambei-Led UNLF, which recently entered into peace agreement, may have nothing to do with the ongoing crisis. Nevertheless, the NIA did inform about an operation, added Biren. The Chief Minister disclosed this to SK Television news editor Raj Nongthombam during an exclusive interview held today at the Chief Minister's official residence. N. Biren said the arrest of top Pambei-Led UNLF leaders, including its self-styled Chief of the Army, on March 13 from Imphal could be related to cases outside the state, but the exact reason is yet to be ascertained. While the NIA informed the state about an operation to be carried out, Biren said NIA did not disclose any details of the operations. The Chief Minister further informed that the state had spoken to the leaders of the MPA about the arrest. In this regard, a team of MPA leaders will soon be leaving Imphal for the national capital and assured that issue will be resolved without affecting the ongoing peace process.
NIA की operation तमा समाने insurgency और अते अते की द लाइनी है बसी में दी information लाई अदुगा specifically करम बजागा द करी की तो गदो यूनिवर्सिटी कोई द information मुझे हाई दोगते हैं मणिपुर द थोड़ी बात होग दोग शिके दी मरी लाइन दबा माले हो जिकी फारे बकेस अदुना हो जी आई मोई की peace talk तो लाई बनी ना peace talk तो लाई रिबा मोई की कोई की MPA की मोई की leader शिंदो आई गसु उन्नरे अदुन मोई ideal leader से पाव खाऊं नरे just नोई हो जी peace talk तो लाई बनी करी नो ताऊं नरे मिसे मरम दो करी नो
When asked about the inability of the double-engine government to resolve the 10-month-long crisis plaguing the state, the Chief Minister explained that there are many factors for taking more time than expected in resolving the crisis. He said that given the sensitivity, the state is holding itself back and using the full force of the central forces that can potentially inflict more human casualties. Moreover, he added that the uncertainty over the involvement of militant cadres under the suspension of Operation Sue is another factor. N. Biren further explained that the crisis was not just a conflict between two communities, but it unfolded hidden plots, including the question of the involvement of militants. Nevertheless, the state is doing whatever it can to quell the crisis. To resolve the issue without further prolongation, the power to do so rests entirely with the center, added Biren.
याम लुबसी मसिदैदा मतम कितंग संगिसे कइनोदा पोटसी यामना मनुंगदा फुमनरगा लैरंबा पोट अमखक ओइना थोलखिबा अदुगी मथक्ता आर्म्स मिलिटेंट करंबा आर्म्स मिलिटेंट हुजी हुजी भारत सरकार अमदि मणिपुर सरकार अहुंगी मरक्ता सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन तौरगा लई हाइबा कांगु खरा यावबुगुमसु तौबा यावदबुगुम तौबगी सममनबा मरक्सिदा मतम कितंग संगबने अदरवाइज मतम संगनदबा हाइसि भारत सरकारना मतम संगनदबा हाइसि force to buda force to buda hujik lai riba casualty this ki hena casualty wangani aduna ikoi government gi khwaidagi potchi casualty minimum casualty da thohandana solution ama porokna bhona bodo maduda matam kitang changbani aduga masimangna ikoi effort ti yam phajana piri na yadmai nai thamjage